Hi, third graders. Happy Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, March 24th, and I'm going to be going over your Wednesday independent learning work today. You will find this video right underneath these instructions for today. Remember, we have a live math group at 8:45. If you come to the live math group, you can get some extra points on your quick check today. All right, I'm scrolling down. Today is Wednesday. We're going to start with our science and social studies. So we're going to be talking about physical adaptations today. And adaptations are special tools that the animals have developed on its body, and it helps it survive. So you're going to watch the video and reply to share your thoughts about what you think the adaptation is in the video. This is going to talk about some vocabulary words. You will see them highlighted in blue. Friends, I recommend to you that if you struggle with these words, to click on that immersive reader button and it will read to you. And then there is a brain pop on migration and hibernation. Once you're done, friends, there is a Nearpod. And this Nearpod today is going to talk about animal adaptations. And some of this might be a little bit of a review. So they're going to ask some questions here. Name an adaptation an animal uses that you know of. So for example, you can think of like a chameleon. A chameleon changes its color so that it can blend in with its environment or its surrounding. So that is an example of an adaptation. And if you're watching this video, you could use that. Basically, through this Nearpod, they're going to explain adaptations. They have some videos. They talk about camouflage, mimicry. That means it looks like another animal. They try to make it look like it's more of a dangerous animal. And then some animals have poison, spines or quills, and are able to run or climb fast. So then they're going to show you some animals here and how they blend in with their surroundings. So those are cool. You can look through them. And then there's some questions to follow. And that should be, oh, there's one more thing. So you're going to be doing a little quick check, and it's going to talk about animal adaptations. You're going to match some pictures and answer these questions. Friends, remember, you get multiple chances. So if you don't like your score the first time, you can do it again. All right, back to my menu. I'm going to click on math. Today is lesson 16. Friends, I highly recommend you come to group. Group starts at 8:45. I will be doing this with you. Please come to group. We're going to talk about mixed numbers. We're going to talk about improper fractions, and we're going to talk about how we compare fractions today. If you do not come to group, you need to watch the video. And then we have our problem set. Friends, you're just looking at the ones with the red check mark next to them. You're going to write a symbol in the middle if it's greater than, less than, or equal to. And then we have some word problems there. Again, if you don't come to group, please, please, please watch the video, or you may not know how to solve those questions. Then you have a 4-question exit ticket. You're going to compare some fractions. In the exit ticket, this first question, it uses like denominators, meaning we look at the numerator. Your numerator, if you're looking at like denominators, you're looking for the bigger numerator. So 3/5 is going to be greater than 1/5. I just gave you an answer. Unlike denominators is what we're learning today. So in that video, they will explain this, or if you come to group, we will talk about this. All right, that's 4 questions. Once you're done, you're going to submit it. You get 2 attempts. And then you have your quick check, friends. Remember, this is graded. It's like a quiz for the week. And some of them are questions that we have done already. Some of them are new questions or very similar questions. So read them carefully and try your best. Talking about how many eighths are in a whole, how many fourths are in a whole. I know you had these questions about the dimes. This is a review of what we did on Monday and today, meaning Tuesday. I'm filming this on Tuesday evening. Friends, my recommendation for you for these questions with the number line is to redraw them to help you. All right. Question 9. I know that one's a review question. We've done question 9 before. And yep, so that is math. Friends, after you take that math quiz, you will have Dreambox. I will put our Dreambox page in, friends. I know that this is not what we're used to seeing when it's Dreambox, so I will fix that for tomorrow. And friends, after that, you'll see a stop sign. It's not set up that way yet, but I'm fixing it tonight. So once you see the stop sign, you are done. Then you move on to reading. Reading is the last thing you're going to do. Friends, today you have a comprehension quick check on context clues. So watch this video to help you. And what you're going to do is you're going to read a sentence or a little passage and decide what the meaning of the underlined word is by using the context clues. For example, this says Benjamin ate 3 pieces of cake and 2 scoops of ice cream. An hour later, his stomach felt queasy and he decided to lie down for a while. What does the word queasy mean in the sentence? So you're going to pick which word here. Sick, empty, or better means queasy. And you're going to do that for the next couple questions. So they're talking about the word weary here, grueling, vacant, and continuously. And you're going to do that. And then you have a Nearpod on nonfiction text features. Misty Sylvester has gone over some of these with you this week in person and online, depending on what student you are, whether you're hybrid or virtual. And you guys are going to answer some questions in the Nearpod. This is a Nearpod that you may have seen before. Okay. Once you're done with that, friends, you have your read aloud about Malala's pencil. And then you're going to answer the question, how did Malala get the idea of the magic pencil? How did she help girls? And then you're going to answer this writing question. If you had a magic pencil like they talked about in our read aloud today, what would you draw with it and why? Friends, if you do not watch the whole read aloud, you're not going to understand what this question is asking you, nor will you understand the reader's response on the page before. So please make sure you take the time to watch the whole video. And then friends, you have independent reading and Smarty Ants, and that is all your work for today. Friends, please make sure you watch this video to help you. Come to the 8:45 math group. I will give you extra points if you come. We're going to really take it slow tomorrow morning with the math because it is getting complicated and I want to make sure that we understand what we're doing. And I will hopefully see you in the morning. If not, I will see you on Thursday. I hope you have a fantastic day.